What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and this one a little bit different because I'm letting y'all get the behind the scenes of doing my hair for some boutique photos. You know, we got to keep the content coming, so I had to be real cute, and I wanted to show off the top that I made and the shoes that went with it. But in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to do this hairstyle. I love shortcuts. Like, I normally do pretty good, but every time I do like a shortcut, the way I like trim it is a little off because I'm not a professional hairstylist. I just watch YouTube and do what I could do. So the first thing I did was trim the back off. I did section the hair out. Where I wanted my part, I put it there when I measured it on my head, and then I just sectioned out everything and trimmed the back with like my razor thing. After I cut it the way that I wanted it, I just went straight to the install. So it's really just, you know, a basic install. I had to have the music in the background. Of course, I can't play it on YouTube because I'm not trying to get copyrighted, okay? I'm trying to get this money and show y'all how to do this cute little hairstyle. Now, this is like my third time trying pink, and I love like the pink. Like, I never thought that colored hair looked good on dark-skinned females, but y'all, my first color that I tried was pink, and it looked so good, so I had to like do something else with it. After I put it on, I just trimmed out the front parts that I had sectioned off, and right here I'm gonna just, you know, trim the sides so that way I can kind of get like the wavy look. I wanted to do like a razor cut, but I was so nervous, y'all. I even bought like clippers and everything, but it was cute like the way I did like the wave, and I just left it like that. But I might do a second video and do like the razor cuts on the side because I really do like that look. So I'm just like trimming everything, and I'm just, you know, making sure it's not really too full. After I have everything measured out, I went to do the waves. Now, I'm not good at finger waves. Like, I've been practicing, y'all, and I can never get it right. But when I did this first wave, like, look at it. It looked like it gave, like, the ocean wave effect. But I could not get the rest of the hair like that. So I ended up just, like, laying it flat. I had to keep redoing this part, y'all, because, like I say, I'm not a hairstylist. I just be trying shit. So it took me a little bit to kind of get the waves, you know, to look good. And I mean, they could have been better, but they still came out kind of cute. So I just did that on the side, and once I got the waves down, I just tied it up for a little bit and I let it dry, and then I just went to kind of, you know, curl it, style it to like give it some oomph, because when I was looking at it right here, I was like, Lord, I was getting so nervous, y'all. I'm like, I got to make this work. Like, I did not waste money on this wig. So once I started to curl the hair, it was coming together. Like, it was just, this shade of pink is really fire. You know, the last time I tried pink, it was a little lighter. And then the second time, it was like a darker neon pink. But I knew I did not want that kind of pink. So this one is perfect. Like, I love it. So as I'm curling it, I just pin it up, you know, because I got to get dressed and all of that. And I wanted my curls to kind of like, you know, to last longer. I wanted to do like a tighter pin curl look. So I just fixed my swoop once I had all my curls down. And then I did my makeup, y'all. I'm like really the jack of all trades. Like, my makeup, my hair, the customization, the wet lip top, and I also have, my bad, y'all, if y'all heard the dog and all this extra stuff in the background. I'm currently in line to get some free shots for my dog, okay? And there's 3 of them up in here, and I'm trying to do what I got to do to get this voiceover out the way. They giving away like free shots for the dogs at the SPCA, but that's a whole nother story. Anyway, y'all, so after everything dried, I took my pins out. And when y'all take the pins out, like, you really just have to play with it to see, you know, what style you like. You know, I just needed to fluff mine out a little bit. But as I started to play with, like, the curls, like, it was just coming together. Like, the outfit was fire. The nails was fire. Y'all don't see my nails right here, but I'm going to show y'all at the end of the video. But it came out so cute. Like, it's something you can definitely do yourself, but you would have to have patience. And I feel like once you razor cut the back part, it'll be easy to just like do the front because you know how you like your hair to look. Like, you know how full you want it. You know where you want your curls to lay. So sometimes you can just get in that mirror, baby, and just do your own hair, And a lot of people be like, oh my God, you can do your hair, your makeup, make your outfit and everything. Like, that's that's not normal. And I just be thinking it's normal, y'all. But I'm just so thankful that my hands are this blessed, y'all, because I did that. Now, if you guys are interested in this top, I do have a separate YouTube tutorial for that. I can definitely link that below. And I will also be uploading a second tutorial for how I made my boots. But what do you guys think?